Well, hello again. Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. So I'm going to deviate a little bit. We were doing some wiring, trying to get the computer set up, but I've got some good weather. So I got to get this oil pan here painted. I finally found a source that's got the pickup in stock because I had it on order and it no ship date, no estimated, nothing. Found a place that's got it in stock. It was an extra 20 bucks. Ordered it, should have it in a couple of days. So this is something I want to get painted. That way it's ready to go. I don't know how much the video I'll show you guys to see me paint. You know, I'm gonna pull all the plugs out, tape everything off so I get no grit or dirt. I'm gonna scuff this whole thing. It's a plated steel of some sort, so I'm gonna put a really good etch primer on that. Probably the same stuff I use on the aluminum. Pull all the plugs out, I'll block off all those accesses, and we'll get this thing painted up. That way when it goes on the motor, it'll be nice and white and look good. Okay.
First thing I did was to scuff up the entire surface with Scotch-Brite pad on a drill. Most important part, you got to get a good tooth for the paint to bite.
Okay, so the pan's all scuffed up. We're going to give it a quick wipe down with some acetone. And then we'll hit it with a tack rag. I'm going to tape off the plugs. I don't want to pull them out and get paint inside the pan, so that's kind of the way I'm going to keep the inside from getting all. As I said, I had one of these pans on the Cobra and it started to corrode after a couple of years. Well, I only had the car a couple of years and it started to not look so nice. So actually I'm glad I'm painting this because I think these things just don't hold up as well as this CAD plating, which I don't know if it's even really good CAD plating. So I got the first coat of etch primer on the pan. I'm going to let this dry a good long time, make sure it's all flashed off because the paint does not like this stuff unless it's well dry, and I think it already is. Yeah. So we'll let that continue to dry, probably a good half an hour, and then we'll throw the base coat on and clear this whole thing. And then I don't have to worry about this pan ever looking like crap again. It'll be nice from here on out. So we'll show you after we get the base coat put on. One really light coat of base onto the etch primer. We're gonna let that tack off, good probably 5 to 10 minutes to make sure all the solvents are gone. And then I'll come back through and put a nice medium coat, probably take 2 medium coats of white, and then we'll clear it. So I'm just gonna make sure all the solvents are gone, and that way I get no fish eyes, no issues. Said I put paint on too heavy and you end up with issues. So it's like light coat and then a medium coat, and this kind of gives it something to bond to. Plus you got that etch primer there too. So this thing's gonna look nice. The white base coat is now on. Looking sweet, much better than that steel that's gonna start to tarnish and not look so good. So let this dry for a little bit and then we'll throw on 2 coats of clear, and this oil pan will be ready to go on the engine once my pickup shows up. But looking good. Got one tack coat of clear on, so you can see it's starting to get a little bit of a shine. This next coat will be more of a medium to heavy coat, and that might be just enough if it flows out pretty well. So yeah, but you can see it's looking good. Should be a nice oil pan. Second coat of clear on, I threw it on real heavy. I would say it's a heavy coat and it's flowing out really nice, and there's no orange peel at all. I mean, I don't know if you can see the sun reflecting off, but it looks pretty darn good. So we'll let this tack off for a little bit. If it stays this way, then I'm done. So we got a good 2 coats on here. But yeah, it looks like it's flowing out very nice. So I'd say the oil pan, let that dry for a day or two, and hopefully my pickup shows up and we can get this thing bolted up. Well, thanks for watching another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. It was kind of quickie. We just prepped, painted the oil pan, as I said. So it's got 2 coats of clear on it now. There's one little speck of dirt here that got into it. Other than that, one right here. So if I was painting this on a car, I could cut and buff that out because the clear is actually laid down like glass. I don't know if you can see the reflection. White does not reflect very well at all, but it's like glass. So it looks really good. We'll let this dry for a day or two, and then we'll bolt it up to the bottom of the engine. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on the next episode.